Hi everyone, just wanted to show you a quick little invention that you can make at home yourself. It's really helpful when you're putting line onto your reel. So what we have is, it's just a block of solid wood, and it has a bolt through the middle. You need to make sure that the wood is heavy so that it doesn't wobble about when you're using it. It's a nice chunky block of wood, and it's got a bolt through the middle, you can see here, and then it's just fixed with a washer and a nut. So when you go to put your line onto your reel, say you've got a bulk spool, you can add the bulk spool here, and then when you put your line on your reel, it will just come off like so. You can also use it for, let's say, smaller reels of line, such as this one. Same principle. If you want to use it a different direction, you can turn it and the line will come off that way. So just a little invention that I made, which anybody can make, which just helps when you're putting line on your spools. Give it a go yourself, and thanks for watching.